Hello, welcome back, dear all listeners. Today we'll go through about HTML formatting. It's our free web design course, lesson 3. Um, about on the HTML formatting, you have so many elements, as you can see here now. Um, it's B, strong, I, am, mark, small, del, in, sub, and sub. These are most important HTML formatting that you will use in future in your website to make your website looks more attractive according to your requirement. According to your client's requirement. Let's get started. As you can see here, HTML formatting. Um, there's a little description at the below, which is HTML contains several elements for defining text with special meaning. While you're writing something, you often need emphasize on a specific part of the writing, on a specific word of a writing, on a specific section, or any specific paragraph of your writing. You might need to use those specifics requirement in different part of your paragraph. So to do those, you actually need to use HTML formatting elements, which I'm gonna discuss in a minute. um, okay, let's get started. On Let's start with the starting tag B. B stand for bold. So when you need to make any specific part of your paragraph uh, to make it bold, looks bold, you use this B starting tag with the B closing tag. Once I will give the example with our page, with my page, you will be more clear. Let's open our website that we have started in our previous lesson. Those who are new, I would request you guys to subscribe the channel and follow my previous all videos for all those lessons that I made previously, which will be easy for you to understand my current lesson that I'm going through right now. Okay, let's go to my website page that I made on my last lesson, where I kept it in my laptop online course folder. I think it's here. It's here, website. So just click right button of your mouse and then click here. It will open Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor, which we always use to create the website. Until last class, we have finished up to here, up to image part, as you can see here. And the site actually at this moment looks like this is the site that with the Google Chrome sign, Google Chrome Explorer sign. Just double click on it, as you can see here right now. Yeah, this is how I left on our last class. So today I will start from here. Okay, let's make BR means break of that lines. It will be more lucrative, looks more lucrative. Like BR means I put BR here to make this line come to the down of that image, this image in the page. So I write down 2 BR means it will step down two step down in the page. Now once I will refresh it, you will see this line will go down 2 step down because of BR. See, it's gone down here. Now it will be easy for me to separate it each lessons according to our class. Okay, so today it is our discussing matter is formatting, HTML formatting. That I said that I showed you that this is what it is. I'll discuss about B. So just write down something here. It's a B tag, starting tag. To make any of your text looks bold, you have to use B starting and closing tag in between this tag. You have to write your any word or any sentences that you want to make it bold. So say for example, I am bold. Okay, so in your website now you will see I am bold. It's gonna be looks bold. That you all might already knows that when you select something at your Microsoft Word to make something bold, you select the sentence and you press Ctrl B means bold, or you click by mouse, you click B, that means bold. So to make bold in your website, you have to do like that. You have to follow this way. So just go there now, open your browser and refresh it. You see it's written here I am bold. So if you don't write I am bold, if you don't write B, it will be looks like a normal sentence, like let's make it B. Close P. P means paragraph. I have shown you before in my last class. Here I have shown you how, why and when you write P. So now refresh it. You see your writing become normal as it should be, like this as all of these sentences. So any part of your sentence or any part of your paragraph you want to make bold, you have to select that part and start B at the beginning and put the closing tag of B at the end, so that part of the paragraph will be bold. So let's back to my previous status of bold. Okay, so now it will be bold again. Here we go. Okay, so now next elements is strong. Strong means actually you emphasize something of your giving importance of a specific portion of a specific part of your paragraph by writing a strong starting tag. You can do that. It's actually same like bold, in fact, nothing different, but you can use the strong or you can use the bold as well to make the same things. It's actually work for the same reason almost. So just go to the here and write down this text is important. It just whatever writing you want to put, you can put it here, and make sure that you put starting strong tag and closing strong tag. Now it will be visible as a bold. See, this bold, this I have done by using bold tag, B tag, and these I have done by strong tag. Both looks similar. I mean, there is nothing different, as you can see. So either you can use bold to make your sentence bold, or you can use strong to make your sentence looks bold. Next elements of formatting is I. Here I and M. So I means in your office program, if you go, you will see here like I, make it italic. So any text you want to make it italic into your website, as just same like B, you just put I, starting I, closing I, so it makes it italic. So the I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc. So as in any part of your paragraph, if you sometimes inside your paragraph you might need to mention your full address, current address, a specific part of your paragraph you want to separate it, separated it by making it italic. You can make it more visible to the reader by putting I. So this is the one that you can use, I start and closing tag. So let's just copy this text and put it here. Okay, I'm going to put BR here to break down two step towards bottom after this strong syntax, so that all looks separated, you know what I mean. So now this text will be looks like italic in your browser. See this text is italic, it's here, and it came down two step, one step here, second step here, because of two BR tag that I have used, and BR is the only tag that doesn't have the closing tag. So BR used for making any line or any word, make it two step down or three step down. If you want one step down, just put one BR, two step down, two BR. I hope you understand. Make another BR now. I just using BR because it's making my page make it looks more visible what I'm doing, separating from one lesson to another lesson. That's all it is. Okay, now it's about M. So the HTML M elements defines emphasize text. The content inside is typically displaying in italic. That means like B for bold and strong for bold as well, and here I means italic and M also means italic. So these two tags you can use for the same reason. So I don't think I need to show you for the same reason. It's working for the same reason, so you can try by on yourself. Let's go to the mark, HTML mark. So these are all that I'm telling you about. It's all about HTML formatting. You will see in future you will use it. Mark. So how does a mark work? The HTML mark elements defines text that should be marked or highlighted. So you want to mark something like in your most documents, in your physical documents, sometimes we mark with the yellow ink pen or different color pen. And in your website as well, if you need any specific word to mark specially for any specific reason, you can use this formatting, HTML formatting, which is called mark. So let's go and do it. P means paragraph. So inside the paragraph you will mark the word milk, which is here, by putting mark starting and closing tag in between, before milk, after milk. So let's just do it here. Okay, let's go to the page, make it, refresh it. You see, and mark, by doing mark, it's showing yellow. So yellow, most of the time it's very common that people marking with the yellow marker pen. So this is what it is, that you can use it by marking off your any part of your text. Let's go jump to the another topics, which is saying small. Okay, small means you can understand it's making the text smaller, looks smaller than usual. So say for example, you following the text size for all the paragraph you following, text size 10, but if you put small, your all text will be in the text size 10 except the line that in between the small starting and closing tag. Hope you understand. Let me just show you and then you will understand. In the browser, okay, in the note text editor here. So I'm putting BR again, and say for example, let's use this one as well for as a normal text, and I'll put this in between. So where is that? B. Okay, just copy this part only. Okay, and put it here, paste it here. Okay, so now what will happen, from here, do not forget to buy will be one size, and milk will be yellow mark. Today will be a size, same like do not forget to buy. And after that, okay, small closing tag was not okay before, and after that this is some smaller text will be smaller than its usual size of this text. Let's see how it looks like now. Okay, it's more easy. Over here, this is the text, is actually normal text size in your browser now at this moment, but after I put this after today I put small, and I put this is some smaller text in between a small, so it's making more smaller than usual text size. That's what it is do. Okay, so can be okay. Let me tell you one thing. Here, as you can see, these two lines should show separate together, but it didn't display together. It's showing the separate line. This because from these sentences is one paragraph, and this sentence, because I closed that part P closing tag here, if I put it here, I believe that whole line will be into one line, showing into one line, but it will be smaller size of this part. Okay, let me just now look. So because of the P, it was breakdown after this at the bottom, but now it's not, and also it's smaller size than this line. So I hope you understand now. Okay, let's get to the another part. It's called del. Del means you can understand, it's like deleting something from specific part of your text. So, and let's just read something about it. What is this about the HTML del elements define text that has been deleted from the document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. Okay, let's do it. Then you'll be more clear on it. You're not gonna see navy blue after we put this. It looks like that this is starting of the paragraph P and this is closing of the paragraph P, so that means it should supposed to show us my favorite color is navy blue, red, and now it will not gonna show navy blue in the displays, and it will show my favorite color is red, and navy blue will be deleted from these sentence. Let's just try it. BR. Okay, so I just straight away put it here. So del, between del starting and closing, I put navy blue, so navy blue will not be here in the browser. So as you can see, it's deleted from the line. It is showing, but it's showing as deleted word from this line. So anything you want to delete, don't want to show, you can do this. Also, if you don't want to show and you want to make it completely invisible, so you just simply don't put it, that's it. But if you want to show like this is just for you to understand how you can do this, delete it. That's all it is. Okay, let's go to the next part. INS. The HTML element defines a text that has been inserted. INS means inserted into the documents. Browser will always usually underline inserted text. So let's do it. You will see underline under the red word here, and this one you can understand what it will be happen after I put this. So with the example, if you do it makes you more clear. It's helped me to make you understand as well. So let's do it on the editor. Just put it here. Okay, should not be here. So now what it will looks like in the browser. My favorite color navy blue will be deleted, but it will be visible like this, but it will be deleted like deleted on the across, and then red will be inserted. I believe that this will be deleted and this will be inserted. Red word will be inserted. Let's just try. Let's just check. Before that, just put BR every time to make it separate. As you can see, my favorite color, navy blue, deleted, and then red with underline. That means it's meaning that it's showing that instead of navy blue, you insert red in this sentence. That's what it's trying to. I was trying to say that you deleted, and after deleted something is you want to insert, so you just do like that. Before that word, put ins starting and closing tag like this. Hope you understood. Then sub means subscription, and sub means superscription. That means it's you want to put something on the top of any kind of word, or on the bottom of any of the word. Like it's gave one example, H2O. So how are you gonna put 2 here? As I believe that from the Word Office program, you would be able to do that somehow, but in the Internet Explorer, how you're gonna put that any number on any sign you want to put at the bottom, or you want to put at the top of that specific letter or word. And this is the formatting elements that you're gonna use. This sub means on the top and supers means at the bottom. Let's just try, and we'll see the result. Then you will understand that this subscripted word will go on the top of the usual line. So just put it here, beer, put this thing. Okay, so now let's just check how it looks like. Look, sub means at the bottom, subscription, and sup means superscription on the top. So same things, if you just put let's just copy paste this and put the sup, SUP, and see what will happen. Sorry, P, and here just put P and check. See, the normal line, from the normal line, subscripted gone down a little bit, which is just after S is gone down, and here after S is gone up. So to write something at the towards downward, it's subscription, and on the top like a power, like a square. When you write down something square, you put 2 on the top of that number or word. It's the same way that we put subs, that means superscription, on the top. So to do that, you use this formatting tag. Today this is it for lesson 3. If you want to know anything other than this formatting, or you have any question on this lesson, please just write on your comment. I'll definitely gonna reply you as quick as possible. And please to make you understand the whole course, you can see our previous lesson, which will help you to understand everything from the beginning. Thank you very much for your time.